Good day, everybody, to all my employees who are aspiring to get good jobs. Today, I'm going to make a video on how to apply for a job on JobConnet. So what are the things that you need on JobConnet before you start applying for jobs? First, you need your CV. You need to have prepared your CV. If you don't have a CV, I will show you where you can build a free CV on JobConnet so that you can easily apply. So because the mistake we do is that we don't actually know how to apply or how JobConnet works. JobConnet gets job from the employer directly and it is posted on the site. So each employer has their own terms of application. They might ask you to apply through email or you should apply through their application website. So, and with that you can just know how to apply. So once you log into your JobConnet, you will see at this down part where you see something moving. They wrote jobs there. You just click on that particular icon that they wrote jobs. So once you click on it, it will take you to all the job listings that you are looking for. So you can just search for the kind of job that you are looking for from the search box. So but let's just pick example. Let's use this Orlando as an example. We are having maybe you want to apply for this one. You click on view job details. So once you click on view job details, you are going to read through what the application is talking about. You can click on this read more to see the job details. Then pay attention to the deadline. Is very important because there are some companies, once it reaches the deadline, the application portal will go off. So now scroll down to application method. Very important for you to read the instruction on the application method, which is saying interested and qualified candidates can apply. So apply through company's application link. So and the link is provided here. The Orlando link is provided here for you to apply. Just click on it directly. It will take you straight to the application portal of the company. Then you can just apply. So but when you are applying, ensure that you have prepared your CV and all other things that you need to prepare. Now example number 2, let me just show you an example that is let's say another example that you can apply through. So let's click on this project manager. So once you click on view job details, you are going to see the deadline. Once you see the deadline that is saying not specific, it means that the company did not provide a particular time that the job can expire. It means the job can expire anytime. So just come down to application method, read the instruction properly, which is saying interested and qualified candidates should forward their CV to the email is provided using subject line. So what is the subject line? The subject line is the title of what you are applying for. That is you are applying for project manager. So and now they are saying the subject line, which is project manager. So you are submitting it on the CV, and this is applied through company's email, and the email to apply to is placed here. That is where you see send CV to. So you copy the email and send your CV according to the application instruction. So once you do that, you have successfully applied for that job. Then you can do follow up by checking your email to see if there is any response. So that is how to apply on JobConnet. That is why this video has helped you to know how to apply on JobConnet. I want you to start applying for good jobs on JobConnet. If you want a job that is both near and far, you can apply for it here. So now that you know, if you have any question, you can place the comment on the comment section, and I want you to subscribe to this channel so that we can give you a lot of updates on JobConnet. Thank you.